Hi everyone, welcome back into our channel. Today I'm excited to share an updated method to download the Aviator Predictor app on both iPhone and Android devices. If you're ready to enhance your gaming experience, stick around and I will guide you through the process step by step. Before we dive into the download steps, let's quickly talk about what the Aviator Predictor app is. This app is designed to help you predict the outcomes in the Aviator game, giving you an edge and making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Remember, always use such tool responsibly and for fun. First thing first, make sure your device is ready for the installation. Here's what you need to do. For iPhone users, you need to go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, clear your browsing data to enhance a smooth installation. And if you are Android users, open your browser settings, clear your caches and browsing history. These steps help in preventing any potential installation issues. Now let's start to the main part, downloading the Aviator Predictor, and we share both iPhone and Android. The first thing you'll do, you open your preferred web browser and visit the official website. I will include the link in the video description. Once you are on the site, look for the download button. It should be prominently displayed. Tap on the download button and you may be directed to Telegram for the actual download link. So I just need you to note this. If you are directed to Telegram, proceed with caution. Ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the app. For iPhone users, after downloading, you will see a prompt to install the app. Tap on Install. Go to Setting, General, then Device Management. Find the profile for the Aviator Predictor app and trust it. For the Android users, open the download file. You might see a security prompt. If so, go to the settings and enable install from unknown sources. Proceed with the installation and open the app once it's done. Now that the app is installed, let's quickly go through how to use it. Open the app and complete any initial setup steps. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Start using the app to predict outcomes in the Aviator game. Always remember to play responsibly and enjoy the game. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Aviator Predictor app on your iPhone and Android devices. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any question or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.